friends, I have a super simple, super easy, terrific side dish. It's my garlic and onion butter green beans. And oh my God, are these green beans delicious? It will be a family favorite. It is one of the things that I always set on my Thanksgiving table. Because they are just delicious. So first I wanted to show you how I trim my green beans. Now I line them all up and then I cut off the top with the stem, just so that if in case you don't know, the other end is fine. It's the stem part that you want to cut off. So I just line them up and then it'll be one quick chop. Now, this is not the way I learned. You know, my grandmother and my mom were good to give me and my TT task. And so one of them was to snap the green beans. And so we would snap the tops off, you know, the same end that I was telling you with the stem, we would just snap it off and you would hear it go pop, pop each time you would do it. Anyway, but we would break them down to, you know, snap them into 2s or 3s. And you can do the same thing with these if you think they're too long. But I like the dramatic effect of the green beans, so I keep them long when I'm serving them for Thanksgiving, which is what's coming up next. So here are all the green beans. I will wash them in some vinegar and water. And then I place them in a steaming basket. And then I set them over some boiling water. I will put a lid on top. And then once they're done, I put them into a water bath. And this stops the cooking process and keeps them bright green and keeps the crunch and all of that good stuff. So now I've added in some onions and some easy OO. And what I'm doing is I'm cooking my onions until done. I've added in some garlic and I'm adding in some butter. I went butter heavy because I kind of like butter and I like a lot of garlic too. So, you know, I'm going to add some granulated garlic. If you have not given your girl a thumbs up, you need to smash the button now. It costs you absolutely nothing, but it keeps me going and keeps YouTube promoting my videos for me so that I can get more subscribers and be around for a while, you guys. So anyway, once I've gotten the butter all warmed, I toss back in the green beans and I'm warming them back up and I'm seasoning my green beans with salt, pepper, granulated garlic, of course. And then I'm going to toss all of this around and then I'm going to drizzle a little bit of fresh lemon juice for a little bit of a pop. You do not have to add that if you don't want to. You do not have to add the extra granulated garlic if you don't want to. These green beans are actually done, you guys. And it's so easy. Like I said, super easy. So now I'm going to put them in a nice, beautiful dish. But before you put them on the table, make sure you taste your green beans and make sure your salt is correct, because if it's under salted, they are not that tasty. So you definitely want to taste your seasoning on your green beans before you serve them, just to make sure they're great to the palate. Anyway, here you guys go. The green beans are done. They are in a wonderful dish. I'm going to serve them tonight for dinner. Like I said, it's a regular dinner night or a fancy Thanksgiving night, but I definitely wanted to get this video out for you guys, and I'm gonna get quite a few more out because Thanksgiving and the holidays are around the corner and I want to make sure you have plenty of sides. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and as always, I want to say enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.